So do you also want to add your new leads to Kit automatically? Then you are on the right video, because in this video I'll show you that you don't have to do this manually now. Automatically, whenever you're going to receive a new lead, automatically your lead details will be added to Kit, and yes, this is true. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your Kit account, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. We're going to receive this webhook URL right over here. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, you have to add a lead form because the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads is going to happen using this lead form only. So once you add the lead form, you have to select the details which you wish to send. And as you can see, I've simply selected the details. Now let's just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this. For the webhook URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key right over here, and then click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. As you can see, we have received all the details, be it the phone number, email address, first name, last name, and the rest of the details. Now you have two options. The first option is continue with these details and create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. The second option which you have is you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead in real time. I'll suggest you this is going to save you a lot of time. Create this automation using the test lead details only. Click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Kit right over here and select this form of Kit, which is Kit V4. This is very important that you select Kit V4. For the event, you have to select it as insert or update subscriber by email and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Kit and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Kit V4. Make sure that your Kit account is logged in before starting with this automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Kit account. Then you have to select the account and click on this grant access to Pabbly Connect. Once you click on this grant access, first of all, your Kit account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking you for your email address. So just enter the email address of your lead, but you don't have to enter the email address manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. Same goes on for the first name to right over here. After mapping both of these details, it is saying subscriber state. I'm just going to keep it as active and click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created the same subscriber. So let's open our Kit account. You're going to see a new subscriber is added right over here. You're going to see the same name and the same email. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now, whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new subscriber will be created in my Kit account too. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For the reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. Also the discount coupon in the description box below. You can check it out. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.